Jellyfish are an astonishing 500 to 800 million years old, predating the dinosaurs by hundreds of millions of years.
No brains.
They navigate using their basic nervous system, with light, vibration and chemical receptors. The Australian box jellyfish is the most venomous marine animal in the world. Astonishingly, the immortal jellyfish can revert its cells to their earliest form, theoretically making biological immortality possible. Many are bioluminescent. Their stingers are microscopic harpoon-like structures for prey and defense. They are 95% water. This makes them one of the most watery creatures on Earth.